Hello and welcome to this video. If you're new here, my name is Zippy of Inspired to Inspire. Please hit the subscribe button and join the family. Now today I would like to talk about a secret that the bankers will never tell you about. I know a lot has been said about credit cards, but today I want to show you a secret that you can use and never pay interest on your card. Now when you're signing in for a card, there's a form you fill, and on the form you specify how much you want in terms of the limit for the card. It could be 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, or even 100,000 depending with your banker. And on the same form, they will ask you how much do you want us to be recovering on the due date. Say you want to be paying off your card on 30th of every month. They will ask you, do you want to be paying 100% of the amount that you have spent? Or do you want to be paying 50%, 70%, or even 30%? And most people don't even question the banker on what that means. So you'll find somebody just says, I want to be paying 50% or 30%, not knowing the implication on their finances. So what happens is when you say you want to be paying 50%, and say for instance this month you spent 10,000 doing some shopping, and on the due date they recover 50% of your 10,000 that you spent, meaning on 30th of that month they will recover 5,000 shillings. So the outstanding, the balance of 5,000 becomes a loan that the bank has given you, which is charged interests on a daily basis. It could be 5%, it depends with the banks. Say even 5% of 5,000 charged on a daily basis. So on the 30th of the following month, say again you spent 10,000, they will recover only 5,000 of the amount of money you spent. Again, you have an outstanding balance of now 5,000 plus the 5,000 that you didn't pay last month plus the accumulated interest. Now it becomes 10,000 plus, which is charged interest on a daily basis. That is what happens when you hear somebody had a credit card balance or outstanding balance of 50,000. And then it accrues to over 100,000 in a span of a year or less, because the amount of money that you leave outstanding is charged interest on a daily basis. And most of the time the bankers will not explain this to you. Some people even pay as low as 30%. So the 70% that you don't pay accrues interest on a daily basis. So the secret is, make sure you pay off. If you spend 10,000, just make arrangement to pay off the 10,000 within 30 days. That's 100% of the amount of money you spend. And you will never ever pay a single dime in terms of interest to the bankers. I'm sure this would make a very big difference if people are aware that if you spend and pay off 100%, then you don't, for a whole 30 days, you don't pay interest on that money. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please share this video and subscribe if you've not already done so.